Today I'm going to play with a bunch of horror mods in Minecraft, and I think I should have done it, but it doesn't matter. I am Aholotasso. Welcome to my channel, where I practice my English vocabulary while playing Minecraft. Let's begin with this. We can't wait to see you. I'm not. Wait here. I have a book from Amos. Find the village, optional, grab the crops, go deep into my mineshaft, find Billy, find Jane in their mansion phone. What it is? They hurt you. Hello? So, I don't know what he's saying. He will come back. What? Oh, he? So, I need to get out of here. Oh my god. Okay. Before you are not alone. Mira una fogata. Diamonds. I was playing Uno with the daughter of my sister. So, okay, what happened with the what happened with the world generation? I have to get some wood. What? The wood. Hello, pig. I will name you Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig, please. Peppa Pig, save me, please. No. I wanna make a boat here. The crafting table. Okay, crafting table. What? Okay. Oh no. Oh my god. Look at that, bro. Oh my god. Diamantes. Diamond. Wee. I don't know what to do. Bro. I never beat Minecraft in my life. What happened with you? Bye. I don't wanna play anymore. No. You don't see me. No. Oh, mames. Take some wood without any stalker. Oh no. I don't know what to do. Okay. Oh, I have to survive right now. Oh no. Bye. Get out. No. Oh la madre. What? Carrot. Oh, I have carrots. Take a carrot. Oh. Take. Huh? Why? I am in the water. Oh. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no. Bye. See you. Bedroom. What is this? Bedroom. What? No. I will defeat you. I win the battle. Oh no. No. Oh my god. No. What? Okay. Oh my god, bro. Hey, please subscribe. This was very boring and scary. I don't know what to do. You can tell me any challenge. God bless you. I can do a farm of mods.